Dear student, how are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today I am going to take another English class for the student of class 6. So welcome to all my class. Dear student, I am Apurva Vishwas, assistant teacher, Kalshira Rajendra Smriti Secondary School, Sidolmari, Bagerhat. Lesson English for today, class 6, unit lesson 16. Dear student, look at the picture, talk with your partner, who are they and what are they doing. Student, look at the picture carefully, talk with your partner, who are they and what are they doing. They are retired women and gossiping among themselves. In the picture, they are retired women and gossiping among themselves. Lessons declaration and old people's home. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text, infer meaning from context, ask and answer questions, write answer to question. Individual work. Close your book, listen to me carefully. Now write the following sentences if they are true or false. If false, then give the right answer. Suraya Begum spent most her time taking care of her family. And number two, she wants to set up a school for adults who cannot read or write. There is already an old people's home in the town. Moriam enjoys spending time with her aunt. And number five is the old people Moriam visits do not like children's presence. Surya Begum, number one, Surya Begum spends most her time taking care of her family. Number two, she wants to set up a school for adults who cannot read or write. There is already an old people's home in the town. Number four, Miriam enjoys spending time with her aunt. And number five is the old people Miriam visits do not like children's presence. Now, keyword widow. Suraya Begum is a widow. And meaning of widow, a woman whose husband has died and doesn't marry again. Colleagues. Try to say the meaning and make sentences about the above word colleague. They are Suraya Begum's colleague. Co-workers. Meaning of colleague is co-workers. Alone. Dear student, try to say the word meaning and make sentences. The widow walking alone by the countryside. Alone, and its meaning lonely. Try to match the word on the left with the word on the right that have similar meaning, and it is pair words. Farm, fond of, retired, establish, sufferings, and set up, withdrawn from service, a mercantile house, distress or pain like. Try to match the word on the left with the word on the right that have similar meaning. First is farm and is similar meaning the mercantile house. Fond of, like. Establish, matching with set up. Retired, withdrawn from service. Sufferings, distress or pain. Now go to section 1 and try to do so. Group or pairs. Go to section B and read the following letters. Then answer the following question. Surya Begum is reading the letter, and the letter is: Dear Sharmila, how are you? I am waiting to share. I am writing to share with you a plan that I have. I know some old, physically weak, and lonely people in our town. Some of them are quite well off, and some are not. But they all share one common thing, that is, they live alone and have no one to take care of them in sickness. Sometimes they don't have anybody to talk to. I have a plan. I want to set up a home for the old people where they would live like a family, and we can be a part of that family too. I need your help, and I know that together we can do a lot. Write to me soon. I'll wait eagerly for your reply. Your friend Suraya. Dear student, who is the first question number one? Who is the writer of this letter? All of you know that the writer of the letter is Suraya Begum. And second question is, who is she writing to? What is the relationship between the two? Who is she writing to? This letter is writing to Shormila. Shormila. What is the relationship between the two? They are friends. Number three, does the writer have any particular reasons for writing this letter? Yes, there is a particular reason for writing this letter, and that is to set up a old people's home. Now homework. Dear student, today's your homework is think and write about a good work that you can do for someone around you. Think and write about a good work that you can do for someone around. Dear student, Take care and goodbye.